Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are diving into something that is truly in a class of its own. This is the Brabus Motorhome 2026, a machine so bold, so brutally luxurious, and so outrageously engineered that calling it a motorhome almost feels like an understatement. This thing is more like a private jet that decided it wanted to stay on the ground. So buckle up, because we are going full throttle on every single detail: exterior, interior, performance, and of course, what it is going to cost you to get your hands on one of these rolling masterpieces. Starting from the outside, the Brabus Motorhome 2026 is one of the most visually commanding vehicles ever built. The entire body is finished in a deep, satin matte black that absorbs light rather than reflecting it, giving this beast an almost military-grade presence wherever it rolls. The front fascia is nothing short of dramatic: a massive, wide-set grille flanked by razor-thin LED daytime running lights that cut through the darkness like a laser. At the center of it all sits the iconic Brabus emblem finished in solid gold, and that gold theme runs throughout the entire exterior as a signature accent. Every panel seam, every chrome strip, every wheel arch is finished with that same metallic gold detailing, making it look like something a billionaire would commission and a movie director would steal for the next sci-fi blockbuster. The sheer scale of this vehicle is breathtaking. It rides on 10 massive wheels, 5 axles each, featuring custom Brabus forged alloys in gloss black with gold center caps. The low-profile run-flat tires are custom branded with Brabus lettering on the sidewalls. The side profile reveals a two-level structure. The lower section houses the powertrain and mechanical systems, while the upper living quarters stretch across the full length of the vehicle with floor-to-ceiling panoramic smoked glass windows that glow warmly from inside. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar ties everything together, and a retractable outdoor lounge deck can be deployed at the push of a button. This is automotive architecture at its absolute finest. Now, let us step inside, and this is where the Brabus Motorhome 2026 shifts from impressive to genuinely jaw-dropping. The moment you enter through the wide power-assisted door, you are hit by the scent of hand-stitched Nappa leather and the soft glow of ambient lighting that washes the entire space in a warm gold tone. The living area is centered around a full black quilted leather sectional sofa, with an 85-inch retractable OLED television that drops seamlessly from the ceiling. The flooring is dark solid walnut hardwood laid over a radiant heating system, and the walls are paneled in a combination of smoked carbon fiber and book-matched walnut veneer. The kitchen is a compact but fully professional setup: matte black cabinetry, quartz countertops with gold veining, an integrated professional espresso machine, induction cooktop, and a glass door smart refrigerator. The master bedroom sits at the rear of the vehicle behind a motorized privacy partition. Inside, you find a king-size floating bed with a quilted leather headboard, silk bedding, and a ceiling fitted with fiber optic star lights that you can program to match any night sky you desire. The ensuite bathroom includes a rain shower with black marble tiling, a vessel sink in white stone, and gold-plated fixtures throughout. Up front, the cockpit is equally spectacular. The driver sits in a full Alcantara pilot seat with 22-way power adjustment and a Brabus badged massage function. The dashboard spans a full 49-inch curved digital display, and the steering wheel is a flat-bottomed carbon fiber unit trimmed in black Alcantara with gold stitching and a gold Brabus badge at its center. A heads-up display projects navigation data and vehicle telemetry directly onto the windshield, and a bespoke air suspension system with terrain sensing technology keeps the entire cabin eerily level regardless of road conditions. The smart home system inside allows passengers to control lighting, climate, entertainment, and the exterior deployable features, all from a single iPad-style touchscreen panel embedded in the main lounge wall. Under that enormous hood, Brabus has done what they always do: they have taken a base Mercedes-Benz Actros platform and completely reinvented it. The 2026 model is powered by a twin-turbocharged 16-liter inline-6 diesel engine, heavily revised by Brabus engineers to produce 1,100 horsepower and a staggering 4,200 Newton-meters of torque. That power is sent through a 16-speed automated manual transmission and distributed across all 5 axles via a sophisticated all-wheel drive system. Despite weighing in at approximately 56 tons fully loaded, this motorhome can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 8.9 seconds, a figure that borders on the absurd for a vehicle of this size. Top speed is electronically limited to 140 km per hour for safety, though the drivetrain is clearly capable of pushing well beyond that. A regenerative braking system and a 120-liter fuel-efficient combustion management system help offset the inevitable thirst of such a powertrain, bringing average fuel consumption down to a more manageable figure for long-haul travel. Now, the big question: what does all of this cost? The Brabus Motorhome 2026 starts at approximately €8.5 million for the base configuration. However, as with anything from Brabus, the customization options are virtually limitless, and most clients end up investing considerably more. Full exterior color changes, upgraded interior materials, bespoke furniture commissions, additional technology packages, and exterior livery options can push the final price well north of €12 million. Production is strictly limited to just 12 units per year, each one built entirely to order at the Brabus facility in Bottrop, Germany, with a typical build time of between 14 and 18 months from confirmed order to delivery. So who buys this? Royalty. Billionaires. A-list entertainers. Motorsport team principals. People who demand the absolute best in every corner of their lives and refuse to compromise on the journey. The Brabus Motorhome 2026 is not transportation, it is a statement. It is the kind of vehicle that stops traffic in every sense of the phrase, and it represents the pinnacle of what human engineering and craftsmanship can produce when money is no object. That is everything on the Brabus Motorhome 2026, and honestly, we could talk about this machine for hours. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review for more content like this, and drop a comment below telling us, would you live in this full time if you could? Because honestly, after spending time with this thing, the answer for me is absolutely yes. We will see you in the next one.